Hello, Namaste and Sashikal to everybody. Welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to take you through the annual fest of our school executed by the talented students and their respectable teachers.
Under the guidance of our honorable principal ma'am.
So let's get started.
So hey guys, we are entering our school and here's my dad making the video. We have a football ground on the right side and here you can see the building of our school. The school's name is Delhi Public School. It's a wonderful school. And we are heading towards the reception. We have a banner of welcome to the annual fest and let's go.
This is a reception and the main entry hall. And there's a beautiful rangoli they have made they had made for Diwali. So we are heading towards the first room, which is about the Constitution of India and the working of functioning of various parts and organs of our Indian government. So they have in this room they have told us about different aspects of the Constitution, like the equality to gender equality, right to equality, right to freedom of religion, and so many things. And they have also
The banners are beautiful, right?
yes, they have also showed a constitution on the topic child labor. So let's see.
The banners are really beautiful. You must see that they have shown. There you go, the shirts. Get.
मालिक का है तुम्हारे बच्चों के काम कराते हो अब बताता हूँ चलो चाइल्ड लेबर का केस है
Under Section 3 of Child Labour Prohibition Act, you have to pay a fine of 20,000 rupees along with a jail of a year. The court is scheduled.
Kind attention, dear parents. I hope you have understood the functions of the various organs of the government. Now let's proceed to see the beauty of the Constitution. Please go ahead.
So let's head towards the next room, Sands of Time. Okay, let's go. They are showing first of all the market we can see or buy anything, and here we have a pic center where it's a safari type scene.
Car scene.
And here we have the Kathputli Nritya also. Let's see the Nritya.
So heading to the next room, which is Coastal Wonders. So here they have told about the maritime history of India and different ocean seas, and the history about the coastal area, coasts about
Really
about
interesting
India.
topic.
Yes. So let's see what they tried to do. So we are heading to the next room,
Lifeline
which
of
is
India.
Lifeline of India.
The previous room was really good. The students was singing good. So the next room is basically on the journey of Ganga from the
Gangotri to Trivedi Sangam and its condition about the pollution.
प्रदर्शन के अंतर्गत में मैं आपको गंगा दर्शन करवाऊंगा। गंगा नदी हमारे भारत की सबसे पवित्र नदी मानी जाती है। इसका प्रमाण हमारे वेदों और पुराणों में ग्रंथों में मिलता है। भगवान शिव ने इसकी तेज धारा को अपनी जटाओं में धारण किया था। गंगा यमुना और सरस्वती का संगम होता है।
So like this is about what kind of pollution is going on and how much the Ganga river is polluted.
मैं प्रतिज्ञा करती हूँ कि मैं गंगा नदी की पवित्रता को बनाए रखने का प्रयास करूंगी।
It was a beautiful one, and they had a pledge to take for the non so that we don't pollute the river of Ganga.
To save the river Ganga.
Uh-huh.
So heading to the next room, Adobe of Snow, they are showing the like Himachal or the Himalayan culture. So like mountains and
They
terrace
have a
farming.
stall also.
So they have shown the terrace farming, how terrace farming takes place in the Himalayas. So let's see what are they trying to tell us in this room. And there are soldiers and tracking something like that. So let's see.
Excuse me, थोड़ा सा. Thank you.
yarn, fabric, or other textile products. Next, taking to the main bed. Every level of production takes place. Moving further, let's salute our soldiers. Now let's take you to some adventurous spot. This is trekking. Trekking offers breathtaking views and opportunities to witness stunning landscapes. While trekking, we may need medical emergencies, so here comes the medical camp at the base of Himalayas. We are going
So heading to the next room, which is
And the sacred steps. So heading towards the room, it's a beautiful one.
about the cotton mountain, cotton plants.
and the
and,
mountains where they are found. Okay, let's go. Let's talk from students to.
and rubber accessory musical instruments on the left side of the room. I request you all to have a view of the room. If you have any questions, you may ask them.
What is this? Sahadri?
We are also known for wax on the forest, which are dense. Every green mountain these forests are important forests for many species. Thank you and have a nice day.
So, we can discover the beauty of nature and human integrity from cotton plantation to sway coconut palms. To the adventurous
Good
Konkani Railway.
morning. What are you
So this is-
representing?
Continue.
And what has happened there? Okay, could you describe these mountains?
The highest peak in the eastern Ghats is Jindalgarh Peak at a height of 1,690 meters. It is home to various tribes, plants and animal life, and it also lies in east.
Great.
So here the children are playing the music on quite cables.
Very nice, very nice. Thank you.
Thank you. Moving to the
So as I told, I wanted to tell you that my father is making the video. He's very friendly with the kids. Next room is the
Shastriya Nritya. Let's see. So these are the students of 6th B, right? Yeah. So moving to the next room, which is Festival Frenchy. Here they have portrayed the different festivals of our country. So I think
lights on the.
so first one is Diwali. Let's see.
खुशियों के सपने रंग बिरंगे पटाखों की आवाजों से सजी है धरती।
So like for Hinduism, they have chosen the festival of Diwali, which is related to Ramji and Sita Maya and Lakshmanji when they come back to their
Let's go to the
their
Eid. And it's
Come
on,
back, right.
it's on the religion of the Muslims.
Islam religion.
No, it's
Yeah,
Muslims.
it's one of the same thing.
I
So
don't
they
think
are like
okay. So let's move on
with
it's
some facts about the Eid.
Eid. It's a beautiful festival. I like it. My friend, one of my friend, is a Muslim, and she's always very excited about Eid. When we talk about Eid, she's very excited.
So let's move to the next festival, which is Christmas. So it's related to the Christianity. It's from the Christianity. So can you see that in like each festival they are singing a song to describe the festival and then also telling facts about the festival. So some personal talks we just have.
Okay, it's a beautiful scene behind it. Beautiful posters.
Lights on the walls are looking beautiful. So next festival is Vaisakhi, related to the Sikh religion or to related to the Punjab state. So they are again singing a poem.
About the religion of the Sikhism.
It's about Vaisakhi, I think so. Yeah, it is Vaisakhi.
Vaisakhi.
So they're not singing a poem related to Sikhism. They're singing a poem related to Vaisakhi.
This festival is related to Sikhism, and basically they are telling different festivals based on different religions.
Yes.
And it's a beautiful room. I think so.
Yeah, it is. And I think so. Now they are telling the facts about Vaisakhi.
Beautiful
And,
posters. The handwriting is so good.
And moving to the next room, which is Lingua Indica. This is my room, 7th A class. So let's see.
Families of South Asia. You explore Indo-Aryan, Proto-Dravidian, Tibeto-Burman and Austrasiatic languages. You can also watch this presentation about diverse languages.
So that's me over there.
She's there behind the laptop.
Many different languages here and I did a ranking feature. I'm happy with the house.
कपड़ा बिचों बोल ते अंज किताबे इश्क दा कोई अगला वर्गा फूल एक रोई सी पंजाब दी तू लिखत मारे बैन अज लखा दियां रोंदियां ते वारिस शान कहन अज आखा वारिस शान कि तो कपड़ा बिचों बोल ते अंज किताबे इश्क दा कोई अगला वर्गा फूल
Great.
Gujarati and Marathi from the same language. Would you like to listen to a Gujarati poem?
Yes.
So here I asked my father to listen to a Gujarati poem, which was like recorded in the laptop. It was an audio video. So
The voice was a bit unclear, but I think so
it was enjoyable.
Thank you.
So if you want to play an interactive game related to this language family, you can go to my friends over there.
So here they are playing a game.
Like I have choose a card, flashcard which reads girl. You have to choose a flashcard which reads girl.
Dhara.
You are correct. Yes, sir.
Yes. Oh, you get a prize? Thank you. Which is no, I can't read that. Dhara is Hindi, right?
I also played when they
That is
when
Hindi, this is Punjabi.
practicing, and it's like fun game. So here my friend is telling a Bengali poem. Like Rabindranath
So we are not able to understanding any poem or anything, but I think so they did a good work. They
Thanks.
Options are Namaste, Vanakkam,
Vanakkam, vanakkam.
So
I'm a
heading
winner
towards
today.
the next room, which is
Ashes
towards
my room.
Ashes to Glory. From Ashes to Glory. So
6
it's
to 8,
their room.
6 to 8.
6 to 8, yeah.
Okay, I think it's gonna be start.
So let's see. So you need to find which is Sia and let us know in the comment.
Please control that.
So heading towards the next room of faith. So this is a room about the diverse religions of India. Hinduism, Sikhism, Christianism and Islam. Different religions and different things.
Four
but
religions.
yeah, but I specifically think religion is like belief. So I think we should not discuss this in this. So they have like portrayed it very well. It's a good like place.
So here we come to the sports sports lab. They will tell us many things about the sports,
Different
about the
sports.
different sports, yoga, basketball,
Badminton, baseball,
and all.
different things.
Step ready, it's time to play, where science and sports lead the way. Flex and jump, balance and grace. In this room, you'll set the pace.
Welcome everyone. You are about to embark on a journey where science meets sports, where each move tells a story of well-trained enemy.
Oh, and geez. I think so. It's yoga and and here comes boxing and next is
Cricket.
cricket, huh? And
Basketball.
It's beautiful.
This is like gymnastics.
start.
Moving to next room, brush strokes. My dad. Our dad actually. So here the art teachers had like prepared this room.
It's a beautiful room. I liked it. It's from my side, it's the best room I saw.
So they
It
have
was
like
really-
chosen different beautiful
It was led by the
artworks, and
Khushi
they
ma'am.
have
Khushi ma'am
both
did
of the
it.
art teachers.
Yeah, basically.
They have put all the artworks they have made, all the children have made together and showed it to the parents. So that's all for this episode. But there's more. So we'll be back next week with the part 2 of this annual day, because the video was going too long, because it's already 30 to 35 minutes, I think so. So it was going too long. So we had
See you in the next video.
no. So
where-
we had like divided into 2 parts. So you can like subscribe the channel so you get the update whenever the new video comes. The part 2 comes next week. So stay connected, comment and like the channel, and don't forget to subscribe.
So bye guys.